Disinformation
I was given misinformation, okay?
or disinformation.
But I can flood it with disinformation.
Have you ever shared something online and later found out it wasn't true? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But was that information or disinformation? Let's break it down. First, misinformation, false information shared by mistake. In other words, no one intended to mislead.
Well, that's some serious misinformation.
We're trying to prevent misinformation.
You've been disseminating some misinformation.
This information, on the other hand, is false information shared on purpose. This is done to trick or manipulate people.
No, I can't tell you what or where. It's probably disinformation.
Is it possible they could have been feeding you disinformation?
Oh, we were given disinformation on the location.
Still confusing? Okay, let's dive deeper with some examples. For example, your friend shares a fake weather update, but they believed it was true. They didn't mean harm, just wrong information. Or another example, sharing information or a link online out of good intention, but unverified. And then later finding out that it isn't true. Once again, this is an honest mistake, yet something we still have to be careful of.
Misinformation is a global humanitarian crisis.
Meanwhile, someone creates a fake news post intentionally to influence what people think. They knew it was false. Have you ever heard about trolls before? This is to ruin someone's reputation or to discredit them. So beware. There's a lot of disinformation online.
To covert disinformation, to climate change disinformation.
Now here's a memory trick to help you remember. Misinformation, mistake. Disinformation, dishonest lie. Finally, don't forget, subscribe now to Online English TV because the next featured confusing words might be the one you have been confused about. See you!